Abu, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing about the prompt template in Langchain. So language models take text as an input, okay, and this text is commonly referred to as a prompt. So in the prompt template usually contains instruction to the language model, maybe a set of few examples, okay, what will be our maybe like expected output, okay, and maybe some questions to the language model. So this is nowadays this is very common, like everybody used bar systems or like everybody using the OpenAI, ChatGPT. Okay, so we will be asking like a lot of questions, right? And maybe like we will be asking some questions, and we will say, okay, this is the format that we are expecting. So I used to do this kind of exercise. Like usually, like I have a set of JSON file or CSV file. So I need to convert this particular format to another format. Okay, so I used to give like some kind of a small examples how will be that output. Okay, so that kind of a things like usually like everybody is using now. So Langchain provide a easy way to implement this prompt template. Okay, so I have opened a collab notebook. So first thing is like we can install Langchain. So just install Langchain. Okay. So after the install, let me write it here. We can from Langchain, okay, we can import. Okay, so let me wait. From Langchain, I can import a prompt template. Okay, so this is the prompt template. There are two ways we can define the template. Okay, so first we can declare a text something like here I can mention that, okay, I can write a template something like you are a naming consultant for new companies. Okay, what is a good name for a company that make. So here the company make is dynamic. I want to represent a dynamic. So just like our Python format or string formatting, I mentioned it as a product. So this is a type of a template. So we can print the type of a template here. This is a string, right? This is a string. Okay. Now this need to be converted into the prompt template model type. So for that, let me write a prompt. So here I can say that prompt template dot, okay, here I can mention from template, we can pass the template here, template equal to template. Okay, so this is my template, and after that I can write the type of prompt. So you can see that this is the prompt template type. Now we have the variable here, right? The product. This has to be replaced with some value. Okay. For that, what we can use? We can use prompt dot. I can say that format prompt dot format and the name of product. So I can mention that variable here, the same name that I have given here. I can say that is equal to colorful socks. Okay, so this is my prompt. Okay, here product spelling is wrong. Let me correct it. Sorry. So now now the sentence is formed, right? Now the prompt is, you are naming consultant for new companies. What is a good name for company that make the colorful socks? So this prompt can be sent to the LLM models. Okay. So in my previous models, videos, like I have shown like how to use this prompt template. Okay. So in coming videos also we will be discussing about that. So in this video we are just concentrating how to create the prompt. Okay. So this is the one way of creating the prompt. So here, to see the input variable, so this here, okay, let me say that also, input variable. So if you say that input variables, we can see that product is a input variable. So this is the name product. Okay. Now I will show you like another way of creating the prompt template. Okay. For that, let me add 2 more cells, and here I can create a prompt v1. Okay. Here what we will do, we will directly use prompt template method. Here I can specify what will be my input variables. I can say that adjective. Okay, adjective is one input variable. This is the input variable name. I can give like any name here. Okay. Now here I can mention the template directly. Okay. Here my template will be, tell me a adjective, job. Okay. Now here I can print v1 dot input variable. So if you type ask to print the input variables, we can see that adjective is a input variable. Here I can give like anything, like xyz. Okay, then I can give xyz. So let me print it. Okay, so this is xyz. Okay, now we need to replace this xyz with value. So that we already have seen in our last example. What we need to do, we need to mention prompt underscore v1 dot, it's a format method. Okay, here format I can mention xyz, okay, equal to, I can mention funny. Okay, so this is the prompt, tell me a funny jokes. Okay, now the similar way we can give like any number of input variables here. So let me show you like one more example, then we will stop this video. So here I can mention prompt, prompt template. Here I can mention input variables, which is equal to, I can say that xyz. I can give anything here, and here I will say another variable as content. Okay, and here I can mention a template, tmpla template. Can mention a, tell me a xyz joke about content. Okay, this is my prompt. I can print prompt v2 dot input variable. I can print here. It's not coming. Prompt v2 dot input variable. So xyz and the content is my input variable. Now I can v2 dot, I can mention here format. Can mention here xyz equal to funny, and another variable is content, which is equal to, content is maybe like chickens. Okay, see, so this is the our prompt, tell me a funny jokes about chickens. Okay, so yeah, I think that is all about in this video. So in our coming videos we can discuss more about templates and LLM models, all those things. Okay, so I will share this collab URL If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment box. We'll try to help you guys. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.